Hello everyone, and welcome to Vilinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to resolve the Microsoft Edge WebView2 process consuming your system memory. And now let's get started. If you are experiencing high memory usage due to the Microsoft Edge WebView2 process, there is a straightforward solution. First, you will need to open the Task Manager. You can do this by searching for Task Manager in your Windows search bar and selecting it from the results. Once the Task Manager window has loaded and displays all the running processes, locate the Microsoft Edge WebView2 process. Right-click on this process, and then select the option to End Task. This action should immediately stop the process and free up the consumed memory. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.